Hi, Jim Baumforth here, wanting to explain some frequently asked questions and offer a free consultation for this child support lawyer that I am. You really need to watch this video. I'm going to provide some very important information for you if you are having issues with child support in the state of Utah. First question I'm going to go over is, do I have to pay child support each month? You have to pay child support each month if there is a court order or if the Office of Recovery Service has done an administrative order requiring you to pay child support. Usually child support is required whenever one party has more custody, meaning more overnights, more physical custody than the other party. Now, custody can be changed if custody has already been set by a court order. It can be changed only upon an actual change of circumstances or a substantial change in circumstances. What I mean by that is, has the child that was always living with the other parent now living with you all the time or the majority of the time each month? If that's the case, then child support should change simply because child support follows the child. Now, what are the consequences if you don't pay child support? The consequences are that money will end up in arrears and there can be a money judgment obtained against you. Now, if you're the one collecting child support and you're not getting it and you need the money, you have two options. You can go to the Office of Recovery Services and ask them to assist you. They're a government agency. They do not charge you for their services. Or you can go to a private lawyer like myself, where we have those arrearages turned into money judgments and we aggressively go after and collect that past child support. Another question, can I get child support lowered? And the answer is it depends. Has your income lowered? And has it been a what we call a good faith basis for lowering it? Are you a medical doctor, for example, that are now doing a secretarial job making 1/10 of what you could actually make? If you're doing it on purpose to lower child support, you're going to have a hard time if your ability to make more money is out there and you're not doing it. However, if it's legitimate, if you really have suffered job loss and you cannot afford child support, yeah, we can absolutely get it changed. We just need to evidence that to the court. We can get that done. Another frequently asked question is, how do I get child support lowered? Well, you do that by filing a petition to either modify a divorce decree or a child custody order, whatever you have in place. Whatever the current order is, we get that lowered. If it's an administrative order, if it's an administrative order by the Office of Recovery Services, we would file a court action to lower your child support. And of course, like I said, we need evidence that your income has lowered. And before we even file that, we would run a child support worksheet to make sure that we can lower your child support. There have been some instances where individuals have come in wanting to lower child support, and we find out that if we go to court, they're actually going to end up paying more based on the current physical custody situation that they have. Look, we don't want your child support to go up. We want to work with you. We want to help you. That's why we offer a free consultation for child support. If you want to speak with an attorney, you can call me, 801-676-7308. And if I'm unavailable, there are usually other attorneys in our office who are willing to help you. And if none of us are available, you can always schedule either a telephone conference or an in-person meeting with me or one of the other attorneys in my office. I hope you found this video helpful. If you need help with child support in the state of Utah, give our office a call. We look forward to working with you and getting to know you. Take care.